Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Venmo account suspended so you can restore access and continue using your account. First, check your email or app notifications to understand the reason for suspension, because Venmo usually provides details. Next, verify your identity by submitting any required documents like ID or personal information through the app. After that, resolve any issues such as unusual activity or policy violations if mentioned. You should also make sure your linked bank and card details are accurate and active. Another important step is to contact Venmo support directly and explain your situation for faster review. Also, avoid using VPNs or logging in from different locations. Finally, wait for confirmation from support, and your account should be reactivated once everything is verified. Subscribe the channel for more videos.